inverse is unique. Inverse is unique. So let A belong to G and B and B bar are inverse of A. Then we prove B is equal to B bar. Now first we recall what is the definition of inverse. The definition of inverse is AB is equal to identity, or BA is equal to identity. That means B is inverse of A. If it is operated with A, we get identity. That is the definition of inverse. Now here we are supposing B and B are inverse. Now let B is inverse of A, then AB is equal to E or BA. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Again, if B bar is inverse of A, then what happens? Then AB bar is equal to E or B bar A is equal to E. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now our target is we want to prove B is equal to B bar. Now take B, we can write B equal to BE. I don't think there is any problem. Now this E can be replaced. E equal to this. That means I can place E is equal to AB bar. Now this I can write BA B bar. How can I do this change of bracket? This is by the property of associativity. And why associativity hold? Because G is given group. So this we can write. Now BA is what? From equation 1, BA is equal to E. That means this we can write E B bar. This part we took from the equation 2nd and this part we take from equation 1st. So this is EB and this we can write B bar. That means we started from B and we reached to B bar. Hence B is equal to B bar. So inverse is unique. Inverse is unique.